Welcome to Scholarship Guidance Center. I am Anil Doshi sir, and today's topic is Fifth Scholarship Maths, Three-Dimensional Objects and Nets. Now see here, three-dimensional objects and nets. Okay, that is the name of the topic. Now see here, what is meant by two-dimensional objects? The objects which have only length and breadth and no thickness. Thickness म्हणजे त्याला जाडी नसते, त्याला बोलायचं टू डायमेन्शनल ऑब्जेक्ट्स. Or negligible thickness means nothing are called two-dimensional. Negligible means uncountable. Negligible means uncountable thickness. A sheet of paper, picture on a paper, shadow of any object. These are what? Two-dimensional object. Blackboard is two-dimensional. PC or PC is two-dimensional. Then three-dimensional objects. The objects which have length, breadth, width and height. That is length, breadth and height are called three-dimensional objects. For example, book, table, water bottle. Okay. Three-dimensional objects when viewed from different angles appear different. वेगवेगळ्या दिशेने बघितलं तर ते वेगवेगळे दिसतात. Nets, the two-dimensional shape from which a three-dimensional object can be made by folding it is called a net of that object. Net म्हणजे आता पेपर असेल एखादा आणि या पेपर पासून तुम्ही एखादा काहीतरी प्राणी बनवलात, ॲनिमल बनवलात, तर त्याला त्या पेपरला बोलायचं नेट्स. ओके. नाउ सी हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. इफ द क्यूब इज मेड बाय फोल्डिंग द गिवन नेट, विच नंबर विल नॉट बी ॲडजसेंट टू द नंबर 2. आता विल नॉट बी ॲडजसेंट टू नंबर 2 मीन्स या 2 नंबरच्या बाजूला कोणता नंबर येणार नाही. ओके. सी हियर दिस 3 इज ॲडजसेंट टू 2, 1 इज ॲडजसेंट टू 2, 6 इज ऑल्सो ॲडजसेंट टू 2. ओके. हा असा फोल्ड केला तर 6 इथे येणार, त्याच्यावर हा 5 येणार. बरोबर. म्हणजे 5 इज नॉट ॲडजसेंट टू 2. 5 हा 2 पासून काय लांब आहे. अँड देअरफॉर 5 इज नॉट ॲडजसेंट टू 2. दॅट इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज युअर आन्सर. नाउ सी हियर बाय फोल्डिंग 3 and 6 are adjacent number. 2 and 5 opposite sides, opposite numbers. Okay. So the number 5 will not be adjacent to number 2. Okay. Now see next one is example for practice. First one, which of the following nets will fold into a cube? आता क्यूब मध्ये करण्यासाठी क्यूबला साइड्स किती असतात? हाऊ मेनी साइड्स? द क्यूब्स हॅव 6 साइड्स. ओके. Now see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In option number 1, 6 sides are there. Okay, 6 faces. Sorry, 6 faces are there. Face म्हणजे कळतं ना? 6 faces are there, and therefore option number 1 is your correct answer. Then see second question. Which of the following net will fold into cuboid? Cuboid means box. मिठाईचा box. That is known as cuboid. See, this is cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. पण इथे काय स्क्वेअर आहे, अँड देअरफॉर इट इज अ क्यूब. म्हणजे हा क्यूबाइड नाही. दिस इज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. दिस इज नॉट क्यूबाइड. दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट क्यूबाइड. देन रिमेनिंग आन्सर विल बी थर्ड वन. क्यूबाइड इज अ रेक्टँगल. सी दिस इज अ रेक्टँगल. ओके. अँड देअरफॉर ऑप्शन नंबर 3 इज युअर करेक्ट आन्सर. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following figure is not a net for pentomino? What is meant by pentomino? A figure having 5 sides is known as pentomino. That is 5 faces. Faces means this way. Okay. That is known as pentomino. Now see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentomino. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also pentomino. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also pentomino. Now see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is not a net for pentomino. Okay. Now next one is, how will the three-dimensional figure given alongside appear as view from above? Now see, if you view this figure from above, you will see here this is 1, then this is 2, and this is 3. These 3 faces are seen, and if we join these 3 faces, it appears like figure 2. 4 faces are not seen, only 3 faces are seen, and that likes 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 are in option number 2 only. Then next one is, from which of the nets given below can an open box be formed? Open box कोणत्या नेट पासून बनेल? Okay, open box. They said open box. Now see, box has how many faces? Suppose this is the box. Then faces of boxes are, here this is the breadth and height. This is also breadth in this side. Then this is also breadth of this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. नीचे का एक और ऊपर का एक 5. Now ऊपर का जो फेस है वो नहीं है. That means box is open box. So how many faces are there? 5 faces. Now see, 5 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this option number 3 is your correct answer. The next one is, see, next question is this one. Which of the following objects will appear the same when viewed from the front, from the side or from above? म्हणजे यापैकी अशी फिगर सांगा जी कुठून पण पाहिली तरी सेम दिसते. सी, व्हेरी इझी. बॉल, दिस इज अ स्पेरिकल. युअर बॉल appears same from any side. That is option number 1 is your answer. The next one is, if a cube is formed from the given net, which letter will be on the opposite side of letter A? Very easy. Now see, this is A. A च्या opposite काय येणार? A, B सोडून काय येणार? हा असे वर केले, हा असा वर केला, हा इकडून C वर केला, तर A च्या पुढे काय येणार? C येणार. That is option number 2. Okay. Now next one is, which of the following figure is of a pentomino? Pentomino means 5-sided figure. Okay. Now see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is option number 2. Pentomino means 5 faces. Then the net of a cube-shaped number die is given below. Which number will not come on the adjacent surface of the surface which has number 5 on it? See, which number not come म्हणजे येणार नाही on the adjacent surface. Adjacent means बाजू का, adjacent of the surface which has number 5. Which has number 5. This is 5. Okay, number 5. Then see here, 5 च्या बाजूला कोणते आहेत? See, 4 is there, 6 is there, 2 is there and 3 is there. Then which is not? That is only option is 1. 1 is not adjacent to 5. That is option number 2 is your answer. The next question is, a paper is folded according to the figure and a cuboid box is made. Which letter will there be opposite to the surface with the letter R? Now see, opposite to the surface with the letter R. R के opposite में क्या आएगा? आता U कुठे जाणार? U appears in this way. See here first. Sorry. U appears in this way. Fold केल्यानंतर U असं जाणार, बरोबर? Then R comes opposite to surface of R. R का opposite. See, R appears असा फोल्ड केला तर R कुठे जाणार? इथे जाणार, बरोबर? R हे असं फोल्ड केलं तर R इथे जाणार. दिस इज R. नाउ अपोजिट टू सरफेस विथ लेटर R. R च्या अपोजिट, मग हा L वर होणार, इकडून R वर होणार, म्हणजे R च्या अपोजिट काय येणार आहे? L. दॅट इज ऑप्शन नंबर 1 इज युअर आन्सर. पॅटर्न्स. अ पॅटर्न इज अ सेट ऑफ शेप्स इन अ रेग्युलर मॅनर or numbers or letters which are repeated म्हणजे पुन्हा पुन्हा येतात. अशा या त्याला काय म्हणायचं? पॅटर्न बोलायचं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल शिअर, ट्रँगल रिपीटेड, देन स्क्वेअर, सर्कल, देन अगेन ट्रँगल, सर्कल. दिस इज नोन ॲज पॅटर्न. नाउ शिअर फिगर 1 + 2 is 3, then 1 + 2 + 3 that is 6, 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 that is 10. Then again this is 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5. Okay. Now this is 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. This is known as pattern. Okay, and these all numbers are known as 1, 3, 6, 10 and 15. These numbers are known as triangular numbers. Okay, these are triangular numbers. Then what is meant by square numbers? Very easy. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36. These are known as square numbers. This is also one kind of pattern. Then CA, then BB, CCC, DDD, then EEEEE, then F 6 times. This is also one kind of pattern. Now see here, 1, 4, 9, 16. Now see, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, then 5 square is 25. Here it is 25, option number 2. Then next question is, which will be the next letters in the given pattern? Now see here, AB, then BBC, then triple CD. Now see here, A निघून गेला, B किती वेळा आला? A च्या ऐवजी B आला, 2 वेळा B आला, बरोबर? Then B vanishes, and instead of B, how many times C? 3 times. Now here C vanishes, and D how many times? 4 times. D, 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 then E. Okay, D, 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 E. Next one is D vanishes, then E how many times? 5 times, and F. Okay, in this way this pattern is going on. The next one is, which figure will come in the place of question mark in the given pattern? Now see here, square as a cross square, this is pentagon. Now see this square second, this is suppose first, second and third. Now see here, this is second, third and first. Means second comes. Now third, second, first. Now see here, third, second, first. Now third one is pentagon. Now see here is pentagon, see this is pentagon. Then second is, which is second? First, second, third, second, third, first, then third, first, second, third, first means this is first, yes, okay, and second means third, first, second. No? Pattern is like this. See again, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, okay, then 3, 1, 2. असं फिरत राहणार सर्कल मध्ये. बघा मी इथे येऊन दाखवतो. 1, 2, 3. Now see here, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, then 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2 means this one, then square and this. That is option number 4. Okay. Then next question is, which of the given alternatives will complete the following pattern? Which of the following alternatives complete the following pattern? Okay. Now see here, first question is 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Now see here, option is 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. See here, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus, पहिलं बघा, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, see here, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 2, 3, okay. Then, see here, 2 and 3 are prime numbers, okay. Now see here, next prime number to 3 is 5. Therefore, we have to do 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. परत सांगतो बघा. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, 2 is a prime number. 3 is prime number. Next prime number to 3 is 5. And therefore 8 plus 5, that is 13 is your answer. How many square numbers are there in the 2-digit natural numbers? In 2-digit natural numbers, remember, square numbers are 6 always. For 1 is the square number. Okay. No, 1 नाही, 2 digit number नाही ना. 2 digit मध्ये काय येणार? First number is 16, then 25, then 36. Okay. Then 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, and 10 square 100, but it is 3 digit. They ask 2 digit number, and therefore 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81, that is option number 4. Now next question is, how many triangular numbers are there in given list? Okay. Now see, in given list, see first triangular number is, see how to find out triangular numbers. Okay. Now see first triangular number is, remember first triangular number is 1. Okay. First one is 1. Then second triangular number is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then third triangular number, the numbers 1 plus 2, that is, 1 plus 2 is 3 is the triangular number. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 is the triangular number. 1, 3, 6. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10 is also triangular number. After 10, 15 is triangular number. Okay. Then how to find out these triangular numbers? See, the formula for finding triangular number is n in bracket n plus 1 upon 2. N in bracket n plus 1 upon 2. Now see, suppose n is equals to 3. Okay. Suppose I take n is equals to 3. 3. N means what? 3. 3 plus 1. Okay. Divided by 2. Now see here, 3 into 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. 4 upon 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. That means 3 2 is 6. Here 6 is the triangular number. Okay. Third triangular number is 6. Then fourth is 10. Fifth one is 15. Now 6 triangular number. Then n is equals to 6. In bracket n plus 1 is 6 plus 1. Okay. Divided by 2. Now see here, 2 1 is 2. 2 3 is 6. That is 3 multiplied by 6 plus 1 7. That is next triangular number is 21. 7 3 is 21. Okay. Now see, in this case, how many triangular numbers are there in the given list? That is your question. How many where to find out how many triangular numbers are there in the given list. Now how to find out given triangular numbers? See, first 6 is a triangular number. Yes. 10 is a triangular number. Yes. 15 is triangular number. Yes. 21 is also triangular number. How many are there? 1 2 3 4. Then 24 is a triangular number? No. Then 36 is triangular number. Then how many are? 1 2 3 4 and 5. Therefore option number 1 is your correct answer. Now see your triangular numbers table. First triangular number 1. Second is 3. Third is 6. Fourth is 10. Fifth is 15.
Hello, sir.
Sixth is, third triangular number 6. Fourth one is 10. Fifth is 15. Sixth is 21. Seventh is 28. 8 is 36. Then 9 triangular number is 45. 10th is 55. 11th is 66. 12th is 78. 13th is 91. 14th is 105. 15th triangular number is 120. 16th triangular number is 136. 17th triangular number is 153. 18th triangular number is 171. 19th triangular number is 190. And 20th triangular number is 210. We have to remember this much of triangular numbers only. Okay. Complete the following pattern. Okay, we have to complete the following pattern. Now see, this is first. This is 1 dot. Then this is third dot. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 dots. Now see here, 1 3 5. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. Now see here 7 dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that is option number 2. Very easy. See here, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, and 5 plus 2 is 7, that is your pattern. Plus 2 is the pattern. Then next question number 5 is 1 3 6 10. Now see, these are triangular numbers. 1 is triangular number, 3 is triangular number, 6 is triangular number, 10 is triangular number. Next to 10 triangular number is 15, and therefore your answer is 15. Then question number 6. See, this is 1 2 3 4. Now this is, see, minus 1, 1 2 3. Then again minus 1, 1 2. Again minus 1, that is 1. Okay, and 1, that is, see here, 1 is, कुठलं 1 राहील बघा, हा वरचा 1 राहील ना, असं असं राहील, अशी. That is option number, see here, which is the option, ऊपर का तो चला गया, that is option number, see here, second. असा राहिला, second
option number.
Now see here, in this case what happens, again see, this is 1 2 3 4. Okay, then हा कट झाला, they cut this one. ओके, नीचे का. देन अगेन मायनस 1. त्यानंतर कोणता कट केला, दिस इज फर्स्ट, देन दिस साइड इज कट. ओके, देन मायनस 2, अगेन मायनस 3. आता साइड कोणती, इकडून अँटी क्लॉकवाईज जातोय ना, तो क्लॉकवाईज म्हणजे क्लॉकच्या दिशेने. ओके, क्लॉकवाईज, जैसा क्लॉक घुमताय वैसा. आता हे कट होणार, म्हणजे राहणार काय, फक्त दिस साइड, अँड दिस साइड इज ऑप्शन नंबर 2. Question number 7. Okay, now see here, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now here 1 2 3 4 5 6. This means this opposite sides gets cancelled. Okay, now opposite sides, again these opposite sides बघा, पहिले असे कॅन्सल झाले, then this type, these opposite sides gets cancelled. Okay, now what happen, again this opposite side gets cancelled, vertical. Okay, then horizontal. बघा पहिली कशी झाली होती, vertical, horizontal. Again this is vertical as compared to this, and then horizontal. That means what is remaining, this is remain and this is remains. That is option number 3 is your correct answer. Then next one is here, question number 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now here what happened, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 as it is. This horizontal line is as it is. Now in case of vertical line, what happens, this one gets cancelled and this one gets cancelled. That is 1 2 3 4 remains. Okay, पहिले vertical कट झाले, then हे कट झाले 1 and 1, then horizontal cut. See here, horizontal 1 1 cut. Now again what happens, vertical cut, that is this is cut and this is cut. Now remaining figure is like this figure. Okay, and this figure is of option number 4. Okay, see ninth one. In this case 1 2 3 4. First cut, they cut this one, नीचे का कट हुआ. Okay, then this side cut. See here, this side cut. Then we have to cut this side clockwise. The remaining is which side, in this way, and in this way, that is answer is option number 3. Very easy. Now see, this is in this way, then it goes this way. म्हणजे आता असा होता तो खाली झाला, बोलू नको मध्ये. First this is this side, then goes this side, that is clockwise direction. Okay, again it goes this side, clockwise direction. Again it goes this side, that is clockwise. मग आता इथून पुन्हा असा जाणार, म्हणजे this side. That is option number 1 is your answer. Now see again question number 9. See, this is 4. Okay, हा खालचा पहिला कट झाला, then this one cut, then this one cut. Okay, and then which is remaining, this side. That is option number 3 is your answer. Now see question number 11. Complete the sequence observing the pattern. Choose the correct option. Now see for 11th one. This is square plus star. Okay. Square plus star. This is 1. Numbering is 2. And this number 3. Now see plus star square. Plus means 2. Star means 3. And square means 1. Again star means 3. Square means 1. And plus means 2. Now see here 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3 means square plus star. Now see square plus star. Which is the option square plus star? Square plus star. That is option number 1. See again. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1. 3, 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3. Option number 1. And this ends your topic pattern.